Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract miracles wherever they go? Why opportunities appear for them? People help them, door open, and life seems to flow effortlessly in their life. Is it just a luck, or is there a hidden law that ancient sages knew thousands of years ago? What if I told you that one simple emotion has the power to completely transform our life? An emotion that has been praised in the ancient scriptures, an emotion that is being studied by modern science and called one of the greatest manifestation tool in the law of attraction. That emotion is nothing other than gratitude. Today, we are going to discover why gratitude is far more than simply saying thank you. It is actually a way of becoming a magnet for abundance. Let us see what the ancient scriptures says about the secret of gratitude. Thousands of years ago, before the modern psychology existed, our ancient sages taught a profound truth. Everything in this universe is a gift. Your breath, the sun, water, food, your body, your family, your mind. Nothing truly belongs to us. Everything is received through divine grace. That is why the ancient scriptures encourage us to live with the feeling of prasada buddhi, means seeing and feeling everything as a sacred gift from the divine. When we stop demanding more and begin appreciating what already exists, our heart naturally opens. A closed heart lives in fear, but an open heart lives in abundance. And abundance begins in the heart long before it appears in our bank account. The sacred book Bhagavad Gita reminds us that a peaceful and contented mind makes better decisions, remains steady in success and failure, and is less driven by fear or craving. Gratitude nurtures that inner steadiness. Have you noticed something? When you are constantly complaining, everything seems to go wrong, isn't it? Small problem become huge. People irritates you. Nothing feels enough. But on the days you wake up grateful, life somehow feels lighter. People smile at you. Unexpected opportunities appears in your life. Ideas flow more easily. Did the universe suddenly change, or did you change? The law of attraction teaches us that like attracts like. Whatever emotional state you consistently embody shapes what you notice, what you pursue, and what you create in your life. So, gratitude shifts your dominant emotional frequency from lack to abundance. Instead of thinking, I don't have enough, your mind begins saying, I already have so much. And that single shift changes everything in our life. Let's talk about quantum physics. Many manifestation teachers use quantum ideas to explain consciousness and reality. At the quantum level, tiny particles behave in surprising ways that challenge our everyday understanding of reality. Some teachers suggest that Our awareness and intentions influence which possibilities we bring into our lives, not by magically bending the physics, but by changing how we think, how we act, and how we engage with this world. Whether you view this spiritually or symbolically, one thing is clear: our attention shapes our experience in our life. What you consistently focus on grows in your life. If your mind is trained to notice the problems in your life, you will find more and more problems in your life. If your mind is trained to notice the blessings in your life, like gratitude practice, doing gratitude practice, you will begin seeing opportunities that were always there. Gratitude changes the lens through which you experience the life. Modern science has discovered something fascinating. Every thought creates a pattern inside our brain. When you repeatedly focus on appreciation or gratitude, your brain strengthens these neural pathways associated with optimism, resilience, and positive emotional regulation. So, instead of constantly activating stress responses, your nervous system becomes calmer when you focus on gratitude. Your creativity increases. Your relationships improves. You become more confident. You make wise decisions in your life. These inner changes often lead to better external results in your life. Manifestation begins with transformation, internal transformation. There is a beautiful story from ancient scriptures about Sudama and Lord Krishna. Sudama was Krishna's childhood friend, and Sudama was extremely poor. Yet, despite his poverty, he carried deep love, humility, and gratitude. When he finally visited Krishna, he brought only a small handful of flattened rice as an offering to him. It wasn't the value of the gift, it was the feeling behind it. Krishna received it with immense joy. When Sudama returned back his home, his simple hut had transformed into prosperity. Whether we interpret this literally or symbolically, this story teaches us a timeless lesson. The divine responds not to the size of the offering, but to the sincerity of the heart and your emotion. Another example is the story of Rhonda Byrne. Rhonda Byrne, the author of the book Magic, The Secret, has shared that during one of the most difficult periods of her life, her mentor encouraged her to begin a daily gratitude practice. Instead of dwelling on everything that was going wrong, she started intentionally appreciating the blessings she still had. She has often described this shift as a turning point that changed her outlook, relationships, and eventually inspired her best-selling work. Whether one sees this as manifestation, psychology, or both, her story illustrates how a grateful mindset can become the starting point for profound personal transformation. Another example is that imagine a farmer planting bamboo seeds. For years, nothing appears above the ground, no growth, no visible progress. but the farmer continues watering the soil every single day. Then suddenly, the bamboo shoots upwards at an astonishing rate. What happened? Till that time, the roots were growing all along. Gratitude works in a similar way. Sometimes the biggest changes begin invisibly inside your character, your mindset, your habits, and your relationships. When the roots are strong, visible growth often follows. Now imagine two radios. One is tuned to static, the other is tuned perfectly to your favorite music station. The music station was always broadcasting. Only when your tuning changed, you got access to your favorite music, isn't it? Your heart is like that. Your heart works the same way. Heart is the center for attracting anything into your life. Fear tunes you or your heart towards problems, but gratitude tunes you towards the possibilities. The opportunities are always present, but gratitude helps you to recognize and attract them. So tune your heart for gratitude to attract what you want in your life. And gratitude is the most powerful manifestation tool you ever see. So, to speed up your manifestation journey, make gratitude your daily practice. You don't need hours of meditation. Start with just 10 minutes of gratitude practice every morning. You can close your eyes. You can place your hand on your heart center and take few slow deep breaths and think about your heartbeat, your lungs, your eyes, clean water that you receive, food that you eat, your home, the people who love you, your challenges that made you stronger, and finally, thank the universe, thank the God, thank the divine intelligence, not only for what you already have, but also for the person you are becoming. Feel that gratitude as if your future blessings are already unfolding in front of you. The more genuine the feeling, the more deeply it reshapes your inner world. Manifestation is not simply about asking things to the universe. It's not that. It is about becoming. Gratitude transforms the person who is asking. The ancient scriptures teaches us that gratitude aligns us with the divine grace. The law of attraction teaches us that gratitude shifts us from the scarcity mindset to the abundant mindset. And modern science shows that gratitude changes the brain, improves the well-being, and supports better choices. So this is the one timeless practice. So before you ask the universe for something new, just pause, look around, notice what is already here for you, because sometimes the fastest way to receive more is to truly appreciate what you already have. So guys, if this message touched your heart, type "Thank you universe" in the comments below. And if you would like to deepen your gratitude practice for our magical life family, there are lots of videos in our channel regarding the various gratitude practices and gratitude meditations also there. It is to speed up your manifestation journey. I'm also attaching the link of these videos at the end of this video. So until next time, stay grateful, stay aligned, and keep creating your magical life. Thank you, guys.